学们好，我是 Haynes 老师。Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Haynes, and today's grammar tutorial is on 依旧, which means as soon as. So what happens with this construction is it's placed between two actions in a sentence. So basically we have our normal sentence structure that allows you to talk about the subject and a verb and an object, but we need to put these in between. Now, we know that 依 and 就 actually get used in these three contexts. So it can mean as soon as, it can mean once something is done or when something has happened. It can also mean whenever X happens. Okay, now today we're going to be looking at as soon as ideas. Now the basic structure, as I said before, is a subject plus 依, then an action, then 就, then another action. So it means that there are two things happening in the sentence and the subject always goes first. So, with 依旧, you can see in this example, 他每天一放学就回家. Now, there are two activities happening here. 放学 is to finish school and 回家 is to go home. So here's our first action and then our second action. Obviously, we have to have a subject at the beginning. So we see here that this is 他每天 is the time. So that always comes after the subject. So he, every day, as soon as he finishes school, he goes home. So that's the way that sentence works. Another one, 老师一到我们就开始上课. Now, in this situation, 老师 is the subject, the teacher. Then, 到 means to arrive somewhere. 到 means to arrive. And 我们 means our. 开始 means to start and 上课 is the class. So what's happening here is, as soon as the teacher arrives, we will start the lesson. So that's pretty straightforward. Now, try completing the exercises in your work booklet alone and then watch this video for the answers. So, the first example asks you to use 看完电影回家 and 姐姐. Now we know in this situation inside the brackets we have 姐姐, which is the subject of the sentence. And then we can see that there are two actions that need to be put into the sentence. So basically what you've got to do is work out what order they all go in. So using the order from the previous slide that we looked at, you do it like this. 姐姐一看完电影就回家. Now we actually have something else in this sentence, the verb want, to finish. Now what that means is you've split the verb from an object. This is a verb-object construction. 看电影. 电影 is a movie and 看 is to watch. You put one in the middle means to finish that activity. So as soon as the movie finished, my older sister came home, or my older sister will go home. Okay, now 弟弟, he's now the subject of the sentence, and you've got 到家 and 先吃东西. Now 先 in this instance means firstly, 吃东西 is to eat things, 到家 is to arrive home. So 弟弟一到家就先吃东西. So as soon as my little brother comes home or arrives home, he eats food. Next example, 我 is obviously the subject. 做完作业. Same as up here, we've got a split apart verb and object with one to finish. 出去玩 is to go out. So 我一做完作业就出去玩. As soon as I finish my homework, I will go out. More examples. 哥哥 is the subject of this sentence, older brother. 写完汉字 and 弹钢琴. So 写完汉字 again, finish writing characters. 弹钢琴 is to play the piano. So 哥哥一写完汉字就弹钢琴. Older brother, as soon as he finishes writing his characters, he then plays the piano. Okay, new one, Mama, she's the subject. 洗完菜开始做饭. So 洗完菜, again, a verb split from an object. This 洗, we can see the water radical. It actually means to wash. And 菜 are vegetables or food, but they're vegetables probably in this instance. 开始做饭, 开始 means to start. 做饭 is making food. So, 妈妈一洗完菜就开始做饭. As soon as mum finishes washing the vegetables, she starts cooking. Last one, this one's pretty easy. 爸爸 is the subject of the sentence. 下班 and 回家. So, 爸爸一下班就回家. So, Dad, as soon as he finishes work, he comes home.